Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing two popular models, the ATTOP Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The ATTOP Mini Drone comes in at just $49, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339, which is significantly higher. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the ATTOP Mini Drone takes the lead in this category. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities of these drones. The ATTOP Mini Drone features a camera that can capture HD pictures and live videos. You can even connect your phone to the drone for a first-person view experience. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes it up a notch with its epic imaging capabilities. With just a few taps on the DJI Fly app, you can capture professional-level videos and share them directly on social media. In terms of camera quality, the DJI Mini 2 SE wins this category. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The ATTOP Mini Drone can fly for approximately 5 to 6 minutes after a full charge, which is decent for its size. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers an impressive 31-minute maximum flight time. Plus, if you opt for the combo package, you'll get 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. When it comes to flight time, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the lead. Portability is often a crucial aspect for drone enthusiasts who like to take their devices on the go. The ATTOP Mini Drone features a foldable design, making it easy to carry and fit in your pocket. It's perfect for kids and beginners who want to have fun wherever they go. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes portability to the next level. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for hikes, road trips, and other adventures. In terms of portability, the DJI Mini 2 SE wins this category. The ease of control is essential, especially for beginners. The ATTOP Mini Drone is designed with kids and beginners in mind. It features one key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold, making it easy to control and take photos or videos. It also offers multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice control. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes control to a whole new level with its simplified operations and beginner-friendly features. It even has a return-to-home function for added safety. When it comes to control, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the winner. Based on online reviews, customers have praised both drones for their performance. Here's a summary of some Amazon reviews for the ATTOP Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE. And there you have it. In our comparison between the ATTOP Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE, both drones have their strengths in different categories. The ATTOP Mini Drone excels in price and affordability, while the DJI Mini 2 SE shines in camera quality, flight time, portability, and control. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.